A viewer texted us a screenshot of a Facebook post going around claiming that COVID-19 contact tracing technology is being secretly installed on phones and automatically tracking people. We can verify that while COVID exposure logging is now available on many phones, it's not automatic and not exactly a secret. Our sources, Apple and Google, which first announced a rare partnership to develop contact tracing technology back in April. The service sends Bluetooth beacons between devices using random ID numbers and can let you know if you've been around someone who tested positive for COVID-19. You might notice exposure logging now appears in your phone's settings, but both Apple and Google say the service needs to be voluntarily activated by the user, whose identity is never shared. Users also need to download a separate app for the service to even work. Those apps are only made by public health agencies, and so far, according to 9to5Mac, only 5 states have done so. So we can verify your phone is not automatically tracking you for coronavirus contact tracing.